Hello! We are continuing Garten, a banban. One of the goofiest games ever. Like, what am I actually supposed to do though? Kill me, no balls. How does that even work? Like, blood was 20 miles away. And I'll be reincarnated. Well, maybe it has something to do with this button. That did nothing. Or do I, like, get her to run here? Okay. Come get me. Shoot! You piece of monkey. I'm recording this off Twitch. So that means there's naturally going to be a little bit of... Is there, like, something painfully obvious I'm missing? Or, like... Go get him, boy. Go get him, Rufus. You suck. Like, seriously, what do I do? Oh! That was it? What actually happened? What was... you. You're, What's the purpose of the letters that randomly appear? Like, was there a lore reason? Hit that. Come on. You miss. Come on. Come on. Hit the button. Why can't you hit the button? Look, the stupid bird's about to come. Hit the button. Hit the button. The button. The button. Hit the button. Bye. No! What do I do? I feel like there is something painfully obvious I'm missing, and someone's gonna be like, "Oh, how could you miss that? That was so easy." I'm like, what do I do? You stupid bird, what do I do? Stand still. Hit the button. Do I like... No! Jukes! 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 What do I do actually though? Oh, do I press this? Let's go! I think I killed it. Oh, did I kill that bird? Oh, by the way, I need that thing back. Where's my robot? Oh, there it is. The end is here. Ah! Oh, jeez, that was scary that I just freaking Ronaldo hit the suit on a freaking chair. Come on, robot! You can do it! No, you can do it! Come on! That's new. Do I... No. Oh, I'll go in here next. Ah! Yeah. Hit that thing. Ah. It's one of our favorites. For Mr. Upman Adam, Class E from Montreal. Is that like my name? And I'm going to Madrid. I think. Oh, what's this? Hit the button. Yes. What does that do though? Oh. Oh. There's a hole in the floor. Oh. How peculiar. Opening your doors for me? How kind. Guys, I'm pretty sure I'm just a pro gamer. Get down here, Rufus. Rufus! No, Rufus! We by the name, I'll name that drone. His name's Rufus. Everyone say hi, Rufus. If you don't, you're just a meanie poopy pants. What was that? Rufus! Rufus! Save me! Save me, Rufus! 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 I think Rufus saved me. Ew. Oh! Is that the end? Is that how it ends? Or was that just a demo? So that doesn't really feel like a game. That just feels... that was rather easy. See you next time. Bye.